I started the Free Black Women's Library in the summer of 2015. And part of what inspired the project was wanting to create something that really centered the brilliance and creativity of Black women writers and the transformative possibilities that come with reading. The Free Black Women's Library is a social art project that features a collection of over 5,000 books written by Black women, free public programs, a virtual reading club, a free store, a period pantry, and a book swap that happens every Sunday. And it works in the same way a library would, where you would come and use it to read and write and study, take a workshop, hang out with your kids. I think part of what makes some people emotional when they come here is the sight of all of these different books by Black women writers they've never heard of, that they didn't even know existed. And it does invoke emotion. People cry, people laugh, all the time in here. People feel deep feelings, people get vulnerable. So that's art to me. So this is our special collections. These are the books that we want to make sure that we always have in our collection. And these are the books that are very precious to us. So these are the books that we don't trade. We have books here that are first edition, no longer in print. We have books that have been autographed by the author. We have handmade books, chapter books, zines, books that are self-published, collaborative zines, children's books, graphic novels. So these are the books that always stay here so that whoever's coming here who may not necessarily be coming to trade books will always have something interesting and available for them to read. People always look happy with new books in their hands. People always look excited. It's just like a vibe. It's also become a space for people to gather together with their friends, with their families. So it's a community space. I heard about the residency at the Met through a really huge supporter of my work. And she read about it online, sent it to me, and said, "You would be perfect for this. You should apply for this." But since I have been doing it, I've been reading, I've been studying, I've been meeting other people who work within this practice. So it's given me a sense of what can be done when you do this type of work. The idea of social art and social practice is something that was very new to me when I first dreamed this project up. There's this term I've been hearing a lot lately called third space. That's what the library is. It's considered a third space because it's not a business and it's not a place where people need to do anything but just be there. We need places where we can just gather and be with other people. And it's also given me some insight on how art and community intersect constantly.